Hello friends, today in this video we will make a simple table lamp at home. This includes a clip which can be attached anywhere. Please watch till end. For this project we will need DOB plates as shown. We will just need one of it. A big crocodile clip. You can find it in hardware stores. Two thin aluminum wires. Some flexible wire and a bottle cap. All the items needed are shown. Firstly, take the two aluminum wires and wind it around themselves. Here in the video I am showing you everything step by step, so please be with the video without forwarding it. Here you can use a vise for doing this type of things, but you can also take the help of a plier. Here I was using this type of vise for doing this. You can do it in your own ways. Then take a bottle cap and drill a hole as shown. Then insert the aluminum structure that was prepared before some time and spread the other two ends so that it will not come out of the bottle cap. Take the help of a plier for doing this activity. Then drill another hole in the middle of the cap. Apply some hot glue to the structure such that it is fixed rigidly and does not come out again. Then glue the other end of the wire to the crocodile clip that we had taken in the beginning of the video. Then solder two wires to the 2 points on the DOB plate. Pass the two wires through the hole that we had drilled on the cap. Do as per shown in the video. Apply hot glue to the sides so that it does not come out. Now connect the two long wires to the 2 points from the DOB plate. Use electric wiring tape for insulating the circuit to avoid short circuit. Now our project is ready and let's move on to the testing part. It's testing time. Now as we can see, the crocodile clip attached at the bottom can be clipped to anywhere as we want, like done in the video. We can see that it's glowing very bright. I have also kept a book under it so that we can determine the brightness of our table lamp. It is clearly visible. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.